Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Friday, June 25th, 2021. It is 1:43 and 2 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, liver cancer. And don't forget to check out my website. So let's hop to it here. Genetic study of liver cancer reveals new drug target. Date June 24, 2021. Source, PLOS. Drugs targeting the gene MAGIA3 may help block the growth of hepatocellular carcinoma HCC, the most common type of primary liver cancer, and one of the leading causes of cancer deaths in the country. That is one conclusion of a new study analyzing genetics of HCC tumors. Researchers have previously discovered several genes that drive the growth of HCC tumors, yet treatment benefit from approved drugs is still limited. In the new study, researchers collected 44 tumor biopsies from 12 HCC patients. The researchers used RNA sequencing to study which genes were more highly expressed in high-grade regions of a tumor compared to low-grade regions of the same tumor. One family of genes, cancer testis antigens, CTAs, was recurrently overexpressed in the most aggressive regions of tumors. The CTAs, most of which are located on the X chromosome, are usually expressed in male germ cells within the testes and are believed to play roles in spermatogenesis as well as protecting germ cells from stressors and cell death. Researchers found that CTAs, and especially MAGIA3, are associated with poor prognosis in HCCs. Moreover, when the group blocked the expression of MAGIA3 in isolated HCC cells, the cells could no longer proliferate and eventually died. When the group overexpressed MAGE3 in the liver cells of mice prone to HCC, the animals died of cancer more quickly. Future studies are needed to replicate the results in larger patient populations and probe whether MAGIA3 itself or its downstream targets are more effective to target therapeutically. The study uncovered the role of cancer testis antigens, specifically MAGIA3, in liver cancer progression. It demonstrates how selective inhibition of MAGIA3 has anti-tumoral effects on experimental models of this disease. Overall, the study provides a proof of principle to test MAGIA3 inhibition in the early phase clinical trials for patients with primary liver cancer. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.